In this video, I'm going to show you how to see earlier dates in Google Maps Street View. So if you want to travel back in time and see what places and locations looked like many years ago, then I'm going to show you how we can do that in a couple easy steps. So first thing you need to do is just head over to an internet browser and type in Google Maps and then press enter. Now click on the top website, which is maps.google.com, and then use the search box to go and search for a place or a destination and press enter. Now once you're in an area that you want to go and view, you can zoom into the map like you would usually, and then what we can do is go and drag this yellow man in the bottom right hand side over to the place that we want to go back in time to. So you can see here that this satellite image was taken in November 2023, and if you want to see what this looked like previously, you can click on the button that says see more dates, and you'll be able to travel back in time to see what this looked like previously. So you can see for this particular road, we can go back to September 2015. And in fact, it doesn't look like too much changed on this particular road. But in some locations, you can go back even further, even past 2010 sometimes. So that's how you go back in time in Google Maps. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.